player guys. Bumaran agad natin ng 10k. Second to the last. Okay. Bang! 7-2. Panalo agad tayo guys. 20,000. Hey, what's up guys? So, si Master Baccarat to. Maglalaro ulit tayo ng Baccarat. And advance, Merry Christmas guys. Ayun, no? Install na natin yung ano natin, Christmas tree. Yan, meron pa tayong Christmas hat. Okay guys, so laro muna tayo ng Baccarat. Anong strategy ba gagawin natin? Okay, second to the last lang. Then, bankroll Fibonacci. Pero yung Fibonacci, pakita ko na lang sa live guys. Dito sa vlog natin ngayon is bomba lang tayo ng 10,000. Okay guys, so simulan na natin yung laro na. Let's go! Screen record ko lang to guys. Second to the last lang guys Second to the last, then Fibonacci. Yung Fibonacci sa live ko na lang papakita kung paano yung Fibonacci. Para meron, gamit tayong Excel. Okay, meron tayong...
Yes, again, you and again was...
So, second to the last lang, player guys. Bomba na agad natin tong 10k. Second to the last, okay. Banker yung last. Second to the last is player, okay. Katabi ng last, second to the last, okay. 10k player, picture 7. Okay, picture mo yan. Bang! 7-2. Panalo agad tayo guys. 20,000. Okay. Ang sarap ng mag second to the last pag guys, oh. Pero patience lang, discipline, stop gain, ayawan na guys. Okay. Okay guys, so nood kayo ng live natin mamaya. Mamimigay tayo ng 1,000. Sino manonood dyan? May tatamaan ng 1,000. Okay guys, so yun lang. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Like and comment na rin kayo para masama kayo sa pag-giveaway natin. Let's G.